Hi, Mike Holmes here. I'm sure you've seen me install lots of kitchens on my shows over the years, and one thing we always make sure of is picking quality materials that are built to last. After all, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and it's a big investment. A commitment to quality is why I selected Milmonde to supply manufactured cabinets, doors, and kitchen hardware on our upcoming projects. Milmonde started in 1978 in a small garage. I like that. Those who know me know I also started with just a dream. Today, they're leaders in full access and full custom cabinetry. They can build any size, layout, or style for your custom dream kitchen. They work with the widest range of materials like laminate, polymer, thermoform, MDF, and veneer. They can also match any color you can think of with their extensive color development program. Milmonde kitchen cabinets are built to perform. Ask any installer, they'll tell you Milmonde cabinets are precise, durable, and easy to work with, even in tricky renovation projects. With premium European hardware and a lifetime warranty, you can trust they'll last. Plus, their water-based whites stay true to color and don't degrade under light like solvent-based paints do. They've even passed the toughest tests, including a 24-hour soak test, outperforming the highest kitchen standards in cabinetry. It doesn't stop there. Milmonde also cares about the environment and your health. They are pioneers in converting to water-based products and drastically reducing VOCs. Now that's something you can feel good about. Lower VOCs mean cleaner, safer air in your home. It's just another way Milmonde is making their cabinets better for you. Milmonde delivers on time and manufactures faster than the competitors, so you can be confident your project will stay on budget and on schedule. Milmonde isn't just about making cabinets, they're about making them greener, healthier, faster to deliver, and built to last for you. Now that's making it right.